Myth 4. Solar panels cannot handle what nature throws at them. Climate change is causing an increase in the severity and frequency of extreme weather events. We've discussed heat waves, but they're not the only weather-related event that could affect solar panels. Hail, severe storms, high winds and snowstorms can all damage solar installations and will all be more of a risk as climate change continues. Every so often, a serious event such as a bad hailstorm will damage solar panels, and this will be taken as evidence that green energy is vulnerable and simply cannot handle the harsh elements. But how vulnerable are solar panels really? As it turns out, not very. A recent study that looked at solar farm data between 2008 and 2022 showed that following an extreme weather event, the median outage length was 2 to 4 days and resulted in only a 1% median loss in annual performance. Of the solar panels projects examined, less than 0.2% had outages of 2 weeks or more. Unsurprisingly, the more severe the event, the greater the impact on the solar facility. It should also be noted that all energy production infrastructure has vulnerabilities to extreme weather events, including energy generated by fossil fuels. High temperature, droughts, floods, fire, high wind, ice, extreme cold, and storms can all damage traditional power infrastructure. A mixture of power facility types and locations actually increases the grid's resilience to extreme events, as different power generation types and locations are unlikely to be impacted uniformly. Arguably, relying on only a handful of power plants using fossil fuels actually increases a power grid's vulnerability. Another point to bear in mind is that there are many steps that can be taken to better weatherproof solar panels. Fun fact, but the vast majority of utility-scale solar projects are equipped with trackers and the ability to turn the panels during the day. This is done so they can follow the sun, but could also be used to put them in stow mode, tilting the panel to 60 to 75 degrees during severe events to mitigate or avoid damage, not just from hailstorms, but hurricanes, snow, and floods. This can be done manually, but increasingly sophisticated weather prediction software means that this is now possible for all of this to happen automatically. Solar panels are also being built to be more resilient and resistant to damage from hail and other extreme weather events. And if you want to hear more myths about solar power debunked, please check out my full-length video. Until next time, thank you for watching.